What's up, guys? I just wanted to make a little YouTube video about these. I just bought a Clutch Max clutch kit off of eBay, and before I bought this thing, I looked around and I could not find any information anywhere. I couldn't really find any experiences or reviews or anything. So I figured I'd do a little unboxing video, show you what you get, what they look like, the quality and stuff. I bought this on eBay. It was $145, and judging by the pictures, it looks pretty nice. I don't know, we'll open it up here and see what we got. They give you a clutch alignment tool, and you get a new pilot bearing. Looks pretty decent. I don't see a brand on the bearing. I don't know. I'll probably buy an OEM one, or at least one that I know what brand it is. They give you the little plastic tool. It's got a couple little dings in the spine, but I think we can make do with it. This thing is surprisingly heavy. I was kind of shocked when I got it out of the mail, how heavy it was. Let's see if I can get this thing out of here. Okay, so I package it up pretty nice. Flip it over, see what we got here. They give you a sticker, extra 5 horsepower. That's the brand, Clutch Max. I don't know, never heard of them before, but I figured I'd give it a shot. They give you a little warning. It says that you got to pull the dowel pins out of the flywheel for this specific clutch. I don't know, I'll have to read that later. I'm not exactly sure why. And then they give you an installation guide for the flywheel, the clutch. I don't know, very nice. They give you some directions. Let's see what else we got in here. Here's the clutch disc. I didn't take it out of the package, but I put a lot of clutches in. I've used, I don't know, competition clutch, ACT clutches, a few other brands, and I don't know, if you handed me this disc and told me it was a competition disc, I'd probably believe you. And the competition discs, well, the competition clutch kits are about twice as much as I paid for this one. And from the pictures, it looked almost identical, so that's why I figured I'd buy it and give it a shot, because it was half the price. And yeah, I mean, it looks pretty much like every ACT or comp clutch that I've ever bought. I think they're all pretty much made in China, and I don't know, I think there's one factory that makes a lot of parts for a lot of different clutch companies, and they just take them, paint them a different color, and throw their name on it. So that's what you get for the disc. Looks pretty nice. Nice thick ceramic material. So I don't know, that'll probably be good and grabby. I hope it doesn't shatter. We'll check out the pressure plate. I don't know, I pre-opened some of this, but I haven't actually looked at the pressure plate yet. What they give it to you, it's all nice and and you get a throwout bearing. I'm not going to use this either, though. I always buy OEM. No matter what clutch kit I buy, I always buy OEM throwout bearings. I just don't trust them, but it looks nice enough. But I'm not going to run it. I never do. I always buy an OEM one just so I know for sure what I got. But it's nice that they give you that, and they give you everything for $145. And here's the pressure plate. Looks pretty nice. It's really heavy. I was surprised, but this clutch is a little bigger than what I'm used to. I usually play with 4-cylinder stuff. And if you notice, I was kind of checking out like comp or monster clutches, and I was looking at pictures of their pressure plates, and they all look really similar. I mean, most of them had the little holes around the edges like this. The fingers all look about the same. I mean, I don't know. I really think that there's one or two companies that make most of your performance clutches, and I really think that everybody else just paints them yellow, paints them black, paints them green, whatever, puts their name on it, and marks the price up. Because I don't know, I'm not, this is a really low price clutch, and I'm not too afraid of putting it in my car. So that's what you get. That's what it looks like. My initial impressions are really good. I'm not worried about it. I think it's good to go. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If anybody's used one of these, let me know how it went for you. I'll let you guys know how it goes for me. I should be putting it in soon, but it's January in Ohio, so it'll be a little while before I actually get to use it. But since I'm getting ready to throw it in, I wanted to make a real quick video, show everybody what they look like, what it's all about, and give my opinion on it. So, I don't know, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of this, and let me know what you think. Thanks.